So now we've actually got that in there. Now you use a bootable UFD to create instead. To start the reference computer, so you can capture an image of the hard drive after you install and customize Windows 7. That's on the reference computer. So we're going to use this to create a boot UFD. Now Windows PE does not include image X. So these instructions include a step for copying imagex.exe from the Windows AIK installation folder to the Windows PE source files before you create the Windows PE ISO file. Right. So now to create the bootable UFD with Windows PE, click Start. Okay, so let's go. Click Start. All Programs, Windows. All Programs. Let's go do it the proper way, shall we? Windows AIK. And then right click on Deployment Tools and you say Run as Administrator. And click Yes. Here we go. We come to the command prompt. Now this is exactly where we should have been. Right. Now in the Deployment Tools command prompt window, perform one of the following tasks and then press enter. Now if you're using a 32-bit computer, you would use copy pe.cmd space x86 space c:\winpe underscore x86. But we're using a 64-bit computer, so we type in copy pe dot cmd space AMD64 to c:\winpe underscore AMD64. Sorry folks, too many keyboards on the desks, hence because I was typing on the wrong keyboard there. But anyway, I'm going to try that again. So what we've got to do is copy pe.cmd space AMD64 space c:\winpe underscore AMD64. Copy pe.cmd AMD64 space c:\winpe AMD64. Right, hit enter. There we go. That's that done. Right, in the deployment command, perform one of the right. If it's the 32-bit, you do c:\winpe underscore x86 /winpe wim space c:\winpe underscore x86 ISO sources and then boot.win. But we're using a 64-bit command, so we're going to put copy c:\winpe underscore AMD64 /winpe dot wim to c:\winpe underscore AMD64 /ISO sources boot.win. Okay, so that's copied one file. Right, so now the last one we've got to do, now I'm going to not say the 32-bit, I'm going to just type it when I'm editing this video anyway, but the last thing we've got to do is c:\program files /Windows AIK /tools AMD64 / image x dot exe to C colon / WINPE underscore AMD64 / ISO / I've just forgotten the speech marks there, so I've got to put in there in here insert C colon / program files / Windows AIK tools AMD image X, and put that in there to C colon WinPE AMD ISO. Okay, we forgot a space between Windows and AIK. Right, now we insert the UFD into the computer. So here we go. Get in there. Okay. Now, in the deployment tools command window, we've got to type in disk part when the device is ready. So we're going to close that, and we're going to close that. Right, now here we're going to type in disk part, DISKPART, and press enter. Okay, now we're going to type in list disk, LIST DISK. Right, now we've got to be careful here, because obviously disk 0 is the 298 gigabit, that's the hard drive, and the disk 1 is the 29 gigabit stick that we got. That's a 32 gigabit, but anyway, okay. Right, so from the list, I need to identify the number here. It is important that you identify the correct disk as you will be formatting the disk. Make sure that the size and free space match the one that you expect from a UFD. Now select the disk number, so our number is 1. So we've got to type in select disk number. So it says SELECT disk 1. Oh, disk space or not? Disk 1. So disk 1 is now selected. We're going to type clean. Good. Succeeded in the cleaning. Create partition primary. Create PARTITION primary. Okay, so that's been successful. Select partition 1. It's been selected. Format FS equals FAT32 quick, and press enter. So now it's formatting that UFD. Successful. Good. Excellent. Now make it active. So type active. Is active, and you exit. If I can spell. Exit. Good. Now, in the deployment tools command prompt line, type xcopy. This xcopy /s c f:/win pe underscore x86 /ISO /star to the drive. Now the drive in our case is, let me just quickly check that, the drive is F. So in this case we can type in f://f:// so it's x copy s win underscore x86 ISO star to the drive. Sorry, it's supposed to be AMD 64, and now it's copying all those files onto the UFD. Okay, so that's the first step done pretty successfully. So after completing the previous two steps, installing the Windows AIK and creating a bootable UFD, you have the tools necessary to capture a custom image